the Ohio Valley. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Adams County in southwestern Ohio, south central Fayette County, Ohio, south central Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, western Pike County in southwestern Ohio, Highland County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Scioto County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Ross County in southwestern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Meerlandsburg to near Belfast to Seaman, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Location: Pittsburgh, Winchester, Marshall, Seaman, Bainbridge, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Belfast, Rocky Fork Point, Highland Holiday, Cynthiana, Russell, New Market, Emerald, Highland and South Salem.